Before the video begins, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe and it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings, so I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, make sure to like the video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday and every single week. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications and also like the video. I would greatly appreciate it. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps the channel out a lot. So make sure to like the video. I greatly appreciate it. And also make sure to comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't be afraid to comment. I reply to every single comment, so comment what you thought of the drawing. And also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to share this video with your friends. And if you are not new to the channel, also make sure to share this video with your friends. And make sure to subscribe and tell them to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that too. Here is Team Boruto and Naruto's final form. Hopefully you all enjoyed. And I think the overall drawing came out really well. I'm super happy with how Naruto came out. And if you are excited to see more of Team Boruto and Naruto's final form, make sure to like the video. I still haven't caught up to what's going on in the anime right now, but I'm super interested and I want to know what's going on. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.